Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and this is Bud's Equipment from California, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool animated lamp. Now, since this is the initial checkout, we want to kind of run through a little bit about what's going on. We're in the process of troubleshooting. When this lamp came in, the light socket had been removed from the lamp. Now, we had to take Goofy apart because we have to troubleshoot another issue. And there's quite a few different little issues going on with this animated Goofy lamp. The light does not work, and that's probably the reason why the light socket had been removed and the wire had been cut. Now, that issue is not because the socket's bad or the wiring going to the socket. That's an electronic issue, and that is located in the base. Now, we're going to troubleshoot that and repair it. Now, the other issue, the reason why Goofy is taken apart, is because we had to get to the gear cluster. The gear cluster just makes a lot of noise, and it's just like stripping the gears out. So that's an issue. We have to go into the gear cluster and repair that issue, because at this point it's just clicking and running, and it's not doing anything like it's supposed to do the animation. It's not properly working. It's just stripping the gears out. Another issue that we're going to have to take care of, since our line has been cut, we're going to have to take apart everything that's associated with the line that runs up to the light socket, and that has to be extended. We have to have enough line to attach to our light socket, and so that's going to have to be repaired. Now, we may find some other issues as we're troubleshooting and repairing Goofy, and if we find them, we will repair them. So we want to get a start on getting the light socket reinstalled onto the lamp, and our lamp cord, our feed, our supply, we need to lengthen that. We also want to go in and repair the electronic issue that's causing the light not to come on. And then we're going to go ahead and repair our gear cluster. So we have a lot of work that we need to do. We're going to get a start on this really cool lamp, and we're going to come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool animated Goofy lamp. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this animated Goofy lamp, and we want to go ahead and start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that at the socket, they always have a tag that says the maximum bulb size is 75 watts. And I would not use a 75 watt bulb in one of these type of animated lamps. The shades are pretty delicate, and 75 watts is pretty much heat, and they can tear the unit up. If the lamp is left on a long time, it can discolor it, and it's just too big of a bulb. I wouldn't use anything bigger than a 60 watt, and if you could use a newer style LED bulb, it would be even better. Another issue we want to talk about is there's an off and on switch in the back, and anytime that you're plugging these animated lamps into the power, into the wall outlet, you always want to turn off the switch and then unplug the unit, and then when you plug it back in, you can always turn the switch back on. So you always want to turn the switch off. It's just a good habit. Turn the power off and then unplug it and plug it back in. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead, we have the unit plugged in, we have our switch on, and we want to go ahead and tap our button to turn the lamp on. So we'll go ahead and do that.
Hello?
Now we're going to wait a second because it's not good for these electronics that are in these lamps to turn Goofy or any of the other animated characters on and off real quickly. You want to give it a second. So we can go ahead and turn it off now.
Oh, where'd you go?
So we can go ahead and turn the unit back on.
Yeah, things are looking brighter already.
And we'll give it a second. And we'll go ahead and turn them off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
We'll turn them back on.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is.
And then Goofy has a lot of different sayings for when the lamp goes off and when it comes on. We'll go ahead and turn the lamp off.
Guess it's time to go. See you later.
And then we'll turn them back on one last time.
That's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
Now that we know that this animated Goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return it to Bud and they can enjoy this lamp once again. Now these are highly sought after, they're very collectible, and I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.